to another video. Today, I have a Google. You might Google home. You might not know what it is. And you can play any music, ask it questions, broadcast people. It's gonna be really good. Then, if you just come over, sorry for that toucan. I wanted it to be like the face cover of the video, really good. Then yes, look. But you don't really see it. You can't see it. You don't really see it. It doesn't matter. Shall I ask you a question? What should I do? Moo moo cow? Okay. Okay, Google. Play a cow noise.
This is what cattle sound like.
That's really funny. But
Want to hear another animal sound?
yes. Okay, we're going.
All right. This is a cat.
Okay, that's a cat. Type in.
Okay, I can tell you about a new animal every day. Would you
Stop.
like to know about today's animal?
Stop. Well, I think. Type it in the comments below. What animal should the noise be in the next episode? Yeah. Sorry guys. Sorry.
I didn't understand.
That's so annoying. So I'm reading in the comments. A lizard. Okay, Google. Make a lizard noise.
This is a lizard.
That. Type in the comments. I do not think that's a lizard noise. Okay, Google. Play. Me.
Okay, playing Old MacDonald had a farm 3D
Okay.
animation English
Huh?
rerun
Okay.
and songs for children on YouTube
That might
Music.
be weird. Okay, Google. Stop. That's gonna be the end of the video. Oh!